What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. This one's gonna be a little different than the type of vlogs that I normally do. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to all of my appointments for the next week and a half leading up to my Europe trip. As some of you may know, I am going to Europe for almost 3 weeks. It's about 2.5 weeks. I'm going with my boyfriend who is from London. So we're going to Madrid, Paris, and London. I'm gonna meet all his friends and family. It's gonna be really, really fun. I've never been to Europe before. So with all that being said, I wanna look my best and feel confident on my Europe trip. Not saying that you have to get any of this stuff done to feel confident, but I'm a high maintenance girly, but I do high maintenance things in order to be low maintenance. So not all my appointments are on the same day. That would be very hectic and I don't even think that's possible. So they're kind of spaced out, but I didn't want to overwhelm myself too much the week leading up to my trip because I know I'll be packing and planning outfits and stuff like that. I'll just have so much going on. So they're kind of spaced out. So my first one is today and it's for Botox. I didn't do this one specifically for my trip. I get Botox every 3 to 6 months. It really just depends on how my TMJ is doing. I get masseter Botox for my TMJ because it's super painful. If you know, you know. So I'm going to do that one today. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to try and film a little bit. I might get some in my forehead too. We'll just see what the vibe is. I just got back from Pilates and I'm going to start the vlog and head to my first appointment in preparation for Europe to the Botox place. It is now Friday. Today is like the bulk of my appointments. I have 3 back to back to back. I'm on my way to my wax appointment. And then right after that, I will have nails and a pedicure. And then right after that, I have lashes and then I'll be done for the day. So sorry about this angle. I've got my stupid mic on my camera and it's hitting the top of my car. So yeah. I have appointments Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. And then I'm done because I leave for Europe on Thursday. But I didn't even update you guys about the Botox, but you guys saw when I got it done. I had to blur my guy's face because I forgot to ask if it was okay if I filmed. So I just blurred it, but I got masseter Botox and a little bit of like baby Botox, I guess, in my forehead, but it'll take a while for it to kick in, but I can already tell a difference in my masseters. Yesterday, I didn't vlog this because I didn't have any appointments, but I had to call my phone company and switch over my plan to the international plan. And then I also had to fill out some online forms with my banks since I'm gonna be traveling. And it's like those things you don't really think of. Like I did not think of those until last minute, clearly. Well, I mean, I had thought of them, but I guess forgot until last minute. So I did all that yesterday, but that's a little tip because I feel like that's something that people don't normally think about is switching over their plan or notifying your banks so your cards work. I am going to try and vlog as much as I can today. I am exhausted. This week has been a lot. The past 2 weeks I've been preparing for this trip and pre-filming, pre-editing tons of content for you guys. That way I only miss 1 upload while I'm gone, or maybe 2. And just a lot of things had to be done and I'm just mentally drained. But yeah, I have no idea what color I'm gonna get my nails. I don't know if I want white, French, or red, or like a neutral pink. I don't know, but updates to come. So I just made it to the lash place and I made a pit stop at Subway because I think my blood sugar dropped. I ate a little bit of a protein bar when I was getting a pedicure, but there's a Subway next door and my mama texted me and she's like, make sure you eat, you've got a long day, go to Subway. And I was like, that's funny because I was literally thinking about getting Subway, and I got done super early, like 45 minutes early. So I walked to Subway and there was a long line, which never happens. So now I'm only 10 minutes early to my lash appointment. So I'm gonna sit here and eat and then go in and get these lashes done. They look horrible. I'm transitioning to get them shorter, so yeah. Hi guys, it is a few days later. It is currently Monday, May 13th. I leave in 3 days, which is crazy, but I had a laser appointment at 12 o'clock today, ate lunch with my mom, then I had to drive to get my nail fixed because I broke my middle finger nail yesterday night. It was Mother's Day yesterday, and we went to a winery, me, my parents, my boyfriend. Literally, as soon as I walk in the door, I go to hang up my purse, and it got caught on, like, the paneling of my mudroom area. So, anyways, got that fixed super quick. About to head home for, like, an hour or so, and then I have my massage appointment. I get massages, like, every month. I used to have to go, like, every 2.5 weeks, but I have nerve damage, and it affects my shoulder really bad, which gives me really bad headaches. I also have TMJ, so I just kind of have to get these massages so everything works properly, but I actually haven't had any pain, so that's good. But the reason why I'm going is I will be pretty overdue when I'm in Europe for a massage, and traveling always stresses me out, and like I just know I'm gonna be regretting it if I don't go get a massage before this trip. So gonna do that, and then tomorrow I have another appointment, and then Wednesday I have one more appointment, and then I'm done. So this video's just been all over the place, but I'm gonna start packing tonight. I'm gonna pick up the camera and start a completely separate video for that. My hair looks horrendous. Like, I cannot believe I'm even showing my face on camera right now. It's terrible. But I'm getting that fixed on Wednesday. But yeah, I didn't even show you guys my lashes after the appointment on Friday, but they look fabulous. Yeah, also my voice is gone. I don't know why. But the nail is fixed. We cannot go to Europe with a broken nail. Absolutely not. But I will see you guys for my massage appointment later. Oh my god, I look crazy. So I just had the best massage of my life. Ignore my hair. I haven't fixed it since getting massaged. But anyways, I'm back home now. I've got 3 more appointments, which is crazy. Well, 2 more and then a spray tan, but I don't have to have an appointment for that. But I just feel like I should be done with the appointments by now. But tonight I'm starting the packing process. I'm gonna edit some of this vlog. I started making a packing list and it's already 3 pages long and I haven't even done the clothes. So literally just been writing everything down. I've got 3 pages. So yeah, I'm going to pick up the camera tomorrow for my facial and gonna start a whole nother vlog, which is gonna be my Europe pack with me. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. I'm bringing 2 suitcases. Well, 1 big one, a small one, and another big one. Those are all Luke's. But, oh my gosh, there's a freaking bug in here. Yeah, I'm gonna try on all the clothes and everything like that, so wish me luck. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, I have not talked to you in a few days, but I'm filming this on the same day that you guys just saw from my hair appointment and my spray tan. I totally forgot to give you guys an update on my hydrafacial yesterday, but it was amazing. If you guys are in the Kernersville, High Point, Greensboro, Winston-Salem area, even Charlotte, definitely check out Katie VZ Skincare. She's not telling me to say any of this, but she is just literally the best. And my skin looks amazing. It looked so good yesterday. Obviously, I have a spray tan on right now. Probably not the best idea to do it the day before I got a spray tan, but it's fine. She got so much gunk out of my face, it was gross. I also obviously had a pretty big hair change. So I just got my roots touched up. I just get baby lights or highlights. I don't know what she does. And then I obviously got new extensions. Every time I get new extensions, I get the 24-inch ones. But my last extensions I had in for over a year. It was like a year and a month, maybe a little bit longer. And you're supposed to get new ones like every 9 to 12 months. So I was definitely overdue. And so my last appointment, I had cut them pretty short, like right here. I cut them to match my natural length of my hair because I just wanted to try it out. They were super dead because I needed new extensions. I also just wanted to see what I looked like with shorter hair and see if I wanted to keep it that way for the summer. Obviously, way less maintenance that way. Ultimately, I just really missed my long extensions and I needed to get new ones anyway. So for Europe, I really wanted long hair. I just feel like it's gonna look better with my outfits, and I don't know, it's just what I feel the best in or feel the best having. But after Europe, if I decide it's too much for the summer, I'll probably put in my old ones. But I freaking love them so much. They look fab. But I did cut a little bit of the length off, but it's still pretty dang long. But yeah, that is basically it. That's all the prep that I'm gonna be doing for Europe. This was a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this has been my dream forever to go to Europe. And I definitely went all out, but go big or go home, baby. But yeah, I know this was a lot. I definitely don't do this much stuff every month or before every vacation. This was just a special vacation. But yeah, it's currently at 6:45. I leave to go to the airport at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So I'll talk about that more in my Pack With Me vlog that I'm also currently filming. But yeah, I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below and click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.